this time. I'm so sorry.
I gotta admit.
It's a letdown. We led with the cookie.
Asparagus.
I know. I'm sorry about that, but I feel like you need more vegetables in your life, so that's what I'm doing.
Okay.
So asparagus is kind of just starting to be. This is a super easy way to make it delicious. So the first thing that we want to do is get the kind of the fixins for it. Okay. So we're going to start with. I've got the ingredients. You can take a look here. A whole list of our ingredients here. We're going to start with some olive oil. You can put that in the bowl.
Olive oil.
Olive oil. It's a couple tablespoons of olive oil. Be generous. Thank you, Popeye. And then we're going to put in a little bit of rosemary, all right, or thyme, just whatever or even Italian seasoning. You can see whatever you've got in the kitchen for the little bit of the spice in there is perfect. Yeah. The Gruyere cheese is also what I need. So if you could take, this is the planer or the shredder, and take the cheese.
Yep.
Okay, and I had preheated the oven, by the way, to about 425. You're going to want a hot oven, and just get some in there for. We're going to want
this?
Yeah, that's perfect.
My wife does this on her foot.
Oh no! Why did you have to? And the other way might be easier is if you take this like that, so that and then run it like that way, so it goes right into the bowl.
Like that?
Yeah, sure. That works. So you're taking about. Okay, mostly is in the bowl. That's about 1/3 of a cup of the Gruyere cheese. Gruyere cheese, kind of hard to say. That's good. That's plenty. Okay. And then you're going to do the same. I already did some. You're going to do the same. I've got a different planer. Put this in the bowl. Why don't you put that right in the bowl?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. And then we're going to use a different. Look, we have 2 grating planing.
Oh,
okay,
that's great.
This is so great. I was hoping you'd say that. Yeah. And you're going to do zest of lemon. I started some, but you could do a brand new one. But here, so take the place where we still have the peel, roll it around. Like to where this part, we want the yellow part. Take that on, the part that's not
the skin.
The skin, the peel, yes. And okay, I think that's great. So those are some of our. Right? So yeah, you're good. That's fine.
It smells wonderful.
Stop it.
Okay. Great
now put that into the bowl too, please.
Okay. There it goes.
Just let's.
It's not.
All right.
Okay.
I really
it's still not.
So feel like I need safety goggles when we're in here together. Okay, so that's pretty much the whole situation. And you're going to just kind of mix it up. Now, I'm going to have you can't just take the asparagus without trimming them up a little bit.
Trim the asparagus.
Trim the asparagus up a little bit. So I'm going to give you the big knife. Be very careful. It's serious. It's a real knife. And I always some people will do 1/3 of these, but we're just going to want the hard part, this part down here at the bottom of the asparagus. I want that cut off of all of those.
That's not a knife.
That's a knife. This is a knife.
Right,
this is a knife.
We're taking it.
Oh!
No! Was that right?
That's just fine, Eric.
Was that
was just fine. I didn't realize we were going to go to a steakhouse situation. I would have appreciated a warning on that, but that's done.
Here, you want to catch it in your mouth?
That's done. No, I don't.
Okay.
No, I'm not catching it in my mouth.
I've seen them do it.
I've been around the block a couple of times. Okay.
All right.
Here. This is basically what's going to go on it. Why don't you put a few of the asparagus on here?
Where'd they go?
Going to give you a okay, or not. Just
there we go.
but don't put them all on there. I'm going to show you 2 ways to do it. Okay, the one way. That's good. That's fine. This is going to go in the oven, and we're going to make one also that goes on the grill. So if you're doing your outdoor activity, you're grilling, you can make a packet with foil. So you can put the same thing in the foil packet and put it on the grill. So I'll do that. And then you're going to take this that we made, and I'm going to put that on there like that real quick. And you can see the finished product on all of the asparagus. When you're done, it's going to cook about 15 minutes. You're going to take a little Parmesan after it's done, once it's hot, and you're going to sprinkle the Parmesan right on top of your asparagus, salt and pepper to taste, and you have got a really good, really healthy, really easy side dish that is just about to be in season. So there you go. I mean, if you want to, but it's not cooked yet. All right. My heart rate is still high from that shopping situation. All right, after the break, we're taking another turn on our roadmap to retirement with the team from Golden Reserve. We'll be back in just 2 minutes. Do you feel strong and healthy now?
Every crime scene
has secrets.
And within every mystery lies the truth.
The original true crime series, Dateline.
Weekdays at 3.
Memorial Day tent sale is in full swing right now at Reddig Furniture and Mattress in Findlay. We've filled a massive circus tent full of sofas, recliners, mattresses, and more. We've slashed prices up to 70% off with incredible 0% interest for up to 3 full years. This Memorial Day,